Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Ketenat Elekai ke Sarkar Pedeng Ukiren Rijiju lapan pa ba ke Sarkar Pedeng gelong ke balakloi ban ajing kershan purai ke Meghalaya halo ke jingpen kre ke National Games ke banlong haus nem arajar arpuar habe ikran bikinong thok khobor hasilong Rijiju umsim lala ban pendikna laga Goa kala na em ban pelong ya gade ke Lumpung ban haus nem hadin bala pensenge haus nem lala na gadau jung ke klam covid kat kandai.
National Games, as a minister, I can assure full help, complete support from my ministry. But National Games are organized by Indian Olympic Association. Now we have issues with the Goa. The Goa could not host the event due to pandemic. Initially, it was delayed due to some other reason. Due to some reason, it could not be conducted. And later on, when we were ready, then the COVID had a problem for all of us. So I don't know if Goa can have National Games this year. So next year becomes too close. So that is how the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, had a discussion with me and the other people in the Indian Olympic Association. So the Chief Minister is very keen. Conrad Sangma is a sports lover. He is very keen. But I hope the circumstances also favors so that we can have the National Games in 2022 in Shillong or say in Meghalaya.